Welcome to Julie Tech. Today, I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube video thumbnail for free. First, hit that subscribe button. It helps me a lot and encourages me to make more free videos for you. If you like this video, click the like button.
Alright, before we begin, I want to remind you to click this subscribe button because I have so many videos for you. Okay, first of all, we want to go to the YouTube video that you actually want to download the thumbnail. Now let's go to any random video. Let's say that we want to download this particular thumbnail. The first thing that we need to do is to come here and copy the link. You click on the share, click on this icon here, click on share, and then when you click on share, you copy the link. If you are using mobile phone, you can still follow my steps like that. All right, so we've copied the link. So the next step that we're going to do is to come here, add a new tab, then you type here YouTube thumbnail downloader. YouTube thumbnail downloader. All right, so you enter. Let me show you the one that you should use. Good, so this is the one that I like to use. As you can see here, you click on it. So you have to take note of this so that you will not fall into scamming. So this is the website, and I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. So you come here and then you paste the video link and you click on get thumbnail images. So it is loading, and as you can see, it has arrived. Okay, so we click here, download SD thumbnail image. So just a second and it has been downloaded. So let's open it and see. Okay, now what? Now in our next video, I will show you how to customize a thumbnail to look like your own thumbnail. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.